Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mehdi. I live in Sydney, Australia, and for the last 12 months I've been investing in shopping malls. Now in this video I will show you exactly how much money I've made, but more importantly how you can do it too. When COVID hit, I realized that we were going to be stuck at home. No partying, no traveling, no dinner with friends. I couldn't believe it. Luckily, one of my friends had a great idea. He sent a message to a group of 6 of us and said, "Hey guys, why don't we buy a PS4, a microphone and Call of Duty? At least we'll be able to hang out online." I mean, great idea. I already had a PS4. I just needed a mic and Call of Duty. And then I thought I better buy a comfortable chair, a new TV, the whole shebang. That's when I realized if I was busy spending on my home, other people were too. So I went to the shopping mall called the Supercenter in Sydney. And while I was there, I wondered what companies were benefiting from the crisis. And I could see JBI-Fi, Bunnings, Harvey Norman, Nick Scali doing quite well. I don't know if you guys remembered, but the stock market was crashing and people were selling shares of great businesses thinking that they might not survive the economic downturn. So at the time I wanted to invest in the stock market or in real estate, and watching the stock market crashing, I thought the time to be greedy was now, and it was a good opportunity for me to invest some of my savings. I really wanted to invest in property, but the process sometimes is really long, so I looked into REITs. Now REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. A REIT is an investment vehicle that allows you to invest in income-producing real estate. For example, I like a REIT called Aventus. It's a company that owns and manages large-format retail centers. My favorite part of a REIT is that you invest in property where you don't have to deal with the hassle of managing tenants, maintenance and repairs on a property, you don't have to pay a deposit, and don't have to have a mortgage. With only $500, you could invest in a REIT. I'll show you how to buy REITs later in the video. Now let me tell you how you make money investing in REIT. A REIT makes money by collecting rent from their tenants. Aventus, who owns and manages the property, collects rent from companies like JBI-Fi, Harvey Norman, The Good Guys, Bunnings, and many other companies. A REIT must distribute 90% of their net income back to the unit holders, so the shareholders. So if you own shares in a REIT, you will be paid what we call distribution, or the equivalent of dividends. To give you a concrete example, here's how much I've made with my investment in Aventus. My initial investment was $50,310, and in 12 months, I have more than doubled my money. Today, it is worth $101,170, so I made a capital gain of $50,859. That's just because the share price doubled. The second way I've made money with this investment is with dividends or distributions. As you can see, they paid me a distribution every quarter since August for a total of $5,175, which gives us a total return of $56,035. I mean, this is pretty epic for just a bit more than 12 months. That's the beauty of investing in the right company at the right time. So how do you concretely buy a REIT? It's actually very easy, and you do it the same way you will buy any public listed company on a stock exchange. If you are an absolute beginner and you want to know how to buy a stock, I've done a very short video on how to do it. It should help you. I'm going to use ComSec for this example. First, you need to select the REIT you want to invest in. For this example, obviously I use Aventus, ticker code AVN. You select the price you want to buy at, the quantity of shares you want, and then you press buy. I like to use ComSec because they provide a great investing platform, lots of information about their financials, dividends informations, and other important information. And then voila, you're now a REIT investor. Now, if you live in Australia, you should definitely look at different REITs because they're a great way to diversify your portfolio. Hope you liked the video. Peace.
Yeah. Woo. It's sweet.